How does the illegal immigration on the southern border affect people who are trying to legally bring their fiancés in? The USCIS times are changing, their processing times are changing, and they're affecting the people who are doing it legally. So we've moved from 3 months to 6 months to 8.5 months to 12 months, and now they are changing priority dates. They've added 3 months to my priority dates. They've stated that it was still in May, but they've moved the date on the website to July is when they received it, so they've added 3 months. And they say those times, even at 12 months, is even in flux, so it could be longer than that. And the reason for this is they're processing all these illegal immigration applications for the people who come and turn themselves in, crossing the borders illegally. But that causes financial hardships on people who are doing it through the legal process and are having to stay abroad with their fiancés to come home. So you have to think about the other applications, that the hardships that the government is causing onto the American citizen who's trying to go through the legal process of what the Congress and the government has set up. And it seems like we suffer the financial and the emotional and time hardships. We've been started since 2022. Granted, the first 2022-2023 was dealing with the Philippine government, but since then we've been dealing with the USCIS, and they keep pulling the rug out from underneath of you, basically. It doesn't feel like it's I guess fair is the wrong word to use with a government office, but it doesn't seem like it's just to create hardships and make your own citizens who are doing it through your legal process suffer in order to allow the millions of illegal aliens that have come through the border on Biden's and Harris's open border policy, where they just won't enforce the immigration laws. And these are just the ones who turn themselves into Border Patrol, and they file the paperwork. Well, that paperwork is what's assumably causing the delays with USCIS. They say everything is processing on schedule, but they keep pulling that schedule from you, and you keep moving further away. It's like you're not important. So consider that when you're looking for doing your K1 visas or any other similar type of legal visa to come into the U.S. You'd think the American citizens bringing somebody in would have priority over the illegals, is at least in a processing center, have a different processing center, so we're not overrun, forcing us to stay abroad while we're waiting for your paperwork to be done.